What's up YouTube? It's your boy Only Focus. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be going through two trades I took today. Unfortunately we lost them again, but it's all a part of the plan. It's all about the 10-step plan. We know that December would be a tricky month to maneuver, but I just want to trade in order to get a sense of December. I've never traded serious and consistent in December before. I don't know December's consistency or December moves in the market, so that's what I want to understand right now. That's why I'm trading it. This is demo trading, not live trading, so with no further ado, we're just gonna get into it real quick. Okay, so now okay, so now you can see the market run as one until today I was looking for sales because let's get right into it, of course. Today I was looking for sales because of what happened yesterday. We took some nice liquidity and I was hoping that or trying to predict that the markets would go lower, even though that seemed to not be the case. However, went on the 4 hour and we saw something. We took buy side liquidity on the 1 hour or the 15 minute one of them. We came into the favor gap and we respected the favor gap to the T. So I was like, yes, price is gonna go lower or something like that of the sort. But that did not happen. Markets told me no today, but that's okay. As you can see on the 1 hour we took liquidity, we took the buy side, but this buy side liquidity I think is after I lost the trade. So we were right here respecting this rejection block coming down also in the 4 hour fair value gap. So we're in this fair value gap right here. Before we took buy side liquidity, we were right in here and I was hoping that price will just come into the fair value gap, which is an old fair value gap. And we'll trade down, want to break these lows, but this was an SMT, so I predicted that we'll probably trade out into this fair value gap right here. So that was the mindset going into today. We came in 8:30 about that time. I came in, I marked up some levels on the markets immediately. So we marked up 8:30 open, which is right here. We had a breaker right here. I marked up that. When an SMT, I also marked that. This is what really gave me some confidence in selling today. We have Trude. We're about Trude looking to go below it. So, we're looking for sales. I would not have bought the market today, even if price was showing bullish. I would not buy all the way up here about Trude. If we were this close to Trude, maybe, but we're too far away from Trude to buy. Too far above. So let's talk about the first trade because as you can see I lost two trades. The first one, what can I say about this? This was an entry to the T, honestly. This breaker right here is what we entered off of. When I saw this, when I saw this rejection right here off of this candle, I was like, yes, no drawdown whatsoever. Look at that. Look at that. Just touching the breaker. I had my sell limit right here. My stop loss was above. What did this hit? So it's above right here, I think. Let me check on the 5 minute real quick. So I entered right here. My stop loss was above here. It took me out rather quickly. That's what I like about this model. That's what I like about trading ICT in general. You either win or lose very quickly. So this could easily went the other way quickly, and it's, as you can see, it just displaced, and it could have easily displaced the other way. But the market told me no today. Let's get back down to the 1 minute. I wish I could have the lower 30 second or the lower 15 second time frame, but that's not until yet. So we entered here. I saw this and I was like, yes, let me get ready to go to school or whatsoever. This trade is going to be good. And I saw enough candles. Then went up, went back. Even before I went to Jordan, I wasn't even watching the markets because I don't like to watch the markets. I came back to see this candle printing, taking me on the trade. I don't know if it's this candle or this candle. Most likely this candle printing. It was a bearish, bullish candle, so maybe it was up here, then it flipped. Well, yeah, I lost that trade. I did on that trade, and really don't. I really can't blame myself for this trade, even though I you wouldn't want to sell so close to the draw liquidity because as you can see, price is more like a draw to the liquidity, which is the buy side liquidity. But again, you live and you learn. You're not gonna get everything one time. In order to learn certain things, you have to experience it, and that's what I did today. So most likely, I will not reach back in that situation. For the second trade, mind this is not revenge trading. I simply saw something sweet and I took it. It lost. End of story. Markets decided to not reward me today. But that's okay because when the markets do reward me, as you can see, we get these type of moves when the market rewards us. And the win rate is pretty high. It's just the month of December. I feel it's just December overall, but we just want to see what December actually does. What kind of models December respects, what models it disrespects, what to trade in December. Want to know all its DCs, want to know what we should be doing in certain times of the year. So, as I said, like last month, November was a good month. So, next year when I'm trading in November, I would have that in my back of my head. I can look at my Notion, my journaling, and see that, oh, November was a good month. Probably up my risk on November. And in November, on Mondays, I win everything on Mondays in November. So maybe on a Monday, instead of 1%, instead of 2%, 3 or 4%, if I'm not on a funded account. If I'm trading live, I can up my risk whenever I want. So this trade is rather simple. Up, what is higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high again. So as I said, this is a very typical pattern in the model, the ICB data state 2022 model. So as you can see right here, we came up, we took that high. Let me mark up that real quick. We took this high, right? Let's call it buy side liquid. It's kind of low on the time frame, but whatever it may be, let's call it buy side liquid. Took it and we showed that we were willing to go down. After this, going down here wasn't an issue, as you can see. This is then market structure shift. Going this side. Let's mark up that as well. And as I said, if we're selling, we want to sell above 830. We were definitely above 830. 830 is right here, and this was a good trade, bro. No matter the result, the trade was I was happy entering the position. That's what you want. When you're entering the position, you ask yourself, if I over risk on this trade, would I want to close the position immediately or just let it run because I'm so confident in the trade? You need confidence in your trades, man. And then just let the market decide if they want to reward you or not. Most of the time, the markets will. And when the market rewards, as I said, you get those big IRs according to this model. Not all models look like this. So we came down with displacement, market structure shift. Oh, I know what to call this. I know what to call it. Break off structure. We came down, we came back up into it. And then I saw it like right here and I was like, okay, let me reach, let me mark up the, well, I didn't mark up the 50%, but let's do it either way here. I did not mark up the 50%. So this would be the 50%. I did not enter from here. So I looked at it and I was like, this is a breaker right here. And it's when I saw these two candles, because mind you, I lost a trade and I was journaling. And then I came back on the charts and was like, oh, we have two nice weeks here and then we have this coming up. Filling all this fear valley gap, taking everything. And I was like, okay, I don't remember if I enter like here. Yeah, I entered here at the close of the candle or somewhere near the close of the candle. And then when this closed, I was like, yeah. When I realized that it really closed or I would have wanted it to close, I was like, yeah, this most likely win. This most likely wins. Put my stop loss where I like to put it and TP where I like to put it. And I was like, this trade probably wins now. And I make up back for that last trade, this last trade. The thing is, I was confident in these two trades. Both of them, I was confident. Probably more confident. You see, I'm confident in both of them. Not even one more than the other. So I was like, okay, we have that, we have that. Let's call it a wrap, get ready for school, and let's go. Enter it, and as you can see, we lost this trade in. So entered here, we lost this trade in 2 minutes, and we could have won this trade in 2 minutes as well. As you can see, when Nas says go, 1 2 minutes, that's a lot of moves right there. From here to here is what 29. I don't know how to calculate Nas ticks that. Anyways, we lost the trade, and I was not angry at myself. When you lose a trade and you're not angry at yourself, you will not revenge trade. You will simply look for better opportunities, or if that's it for the day, you just call it for the day. You will not look for more trades, more silly trades if you're happy with the decision making of the trade. If you like the fact that you followed your rules, even when you lose, it won't be as hot or it won't be as bad as when you don't follow your rules and you also lose. That's even hotter. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any feedback, please drop a comment on the video. Let me know if you guys are interested in the content that I post. And I know I haven't been posting consistently. I just didn't have any Wi-Fi, so I didn't even trade for like the past week. The last trade I took was on a Tuesday. Or was it? It was on a Tuesday. So okay, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoy. Please drop a sub. Let's get at least 100 subscribers before the year ends. And thanks for watching. Peace.